In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off WebRTC in Chrome browser. WebRTC, short for Web Real-Time Communication, enables voice, video, and peer-to-peer connections directly in your browser. While it powers things like video calls, it can also reveal your real IP address and network details in certain scenarios. If you want to reduce that exposure, installing a dedicated Chrome extension is a straightforward approach. I'll walk you through it clearly and safely. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're using the regular desktop version so you have access to extensions. Next, use your search engine to look up the Chrome Web Store. You're looking for the official Chrome Web Store result from Google. Open that page so you can browse and add extensions securely. Once the store is open, use the search bar at the top to look for an extension called WebRTC Control. This tool is designed specifically to manage, limit, or disable WebRTC traffic in Chrome. On the results page, find the listing that matches WebRTC Control and open it. On the extensions page, you can quickly scan the description to confirm it's meant to block or control WebRTC and review any permissions it requests. Keeping an eye on the publisher and reviews is a good habit whenever you install extensions. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install the extension, and you should see a brief confirmation message. That's it. The extension is now installed and ready to help you turn off WebRTC. After installation, Chrome may place an icon for the extension near the top right of the window. Extensions like this typically work by intercepting WebRTC features and restricting them so your IP and network details aren't exposed via WebRTC. Keep in mind that disabling WebRTC can affect websites that rely on real-time communication, such as video conferencing tools, browser-based calling apps, or certain streaming services. If a site stops working as expected, it's often because it needs WebRTC to function. To recap the flow you followed today, you opened Chrome, went to the official Chrome Web Store, searched for WebRTC Control, opened its listing, and added it to Chrome by confirming the installation. With that done, you've taken a practical step to limit WebRTC in your browser and improve your privacy posture while browsing.